Happy 2024, crypto fam! And guess what lovely time of year it is? Tax season. Lame. But fear not, fam, because we are going to learn about how we can quickly and easily process and file our 2023 crypto tax reports using an amazing service that is free to use called CoinLedger. So let's talk taxes. For 2023, the IRS requires all taxpayers to address a mandatory digital asset question on their returns and has extended digital asset tax queries to a wider range of forms, broadening reporting requirements. This includes forms 1040, 1040SR, 1040NR, 1041, 1065, 1120, and 1120S. And the updated question covers various digital asset transactions, such as receiving digital assets as rewards or payments, and disposing of digital assets in various ways. So it's more important than ever to make sure we are diligently tracking and reporting all of our cryptocurrency investment activities, including buying, selling, trading, staking, and airdrops related to both cryptocurrencies and NFTs, to avoid being hit with penalties, interest, or even criminal charges. And they are not joking. They've already been doing this for the past few years. In fact, I've had to pay a lot of long-term and short-term capital gains from crypto activity. Some of that included interest and penalties from just not being timely. No failures to disclose or anything. It just took a lot longer than I expected to get everything sorted and ready to file when first starting out in crypto. So yes, we have to pay taxes on digital asset activities. For example, if we sell or exchange cryptocurrency, we'll have to pay capital gains taxes. And if we receive crypto as payment, an airdrop, mining, or staking reward, interest from lending or providing liquidity, it's all taxable income. And the same goes for selling or receiving NFTs. And when we trade any crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital assets for fiat or cash, like the US dollar, that is a taxable event. When we trade crypto for another crypto, a lot of taxable events occur because whatever we initially bought the crypto for, using fiat or cash, is taken into account when we trade it later on down the road, depending on how much the price of it has changed since we originally bought it. And if we sell the cryptocurrency for cash less than 12 months from when we bought it, the transaction is subject to short-term capital gains, which is our regular income tax. While if we sell the same crypto for cash more than 12 months after we bought it, we only have to pay the long-term capital gains tax rate, which is generally 15%. Yeah, crazy. Here's the deal. Do not mess with the IRS. Sure, they can't get everyone in the short term right now, but all of our transactions are on the blockchain, a decentralized, transparent, immutable ledger of every single move we all make. Financial auditing is simpler than you think with this new technology. And if the IRS wants you, they will get you. 100%. And since crypto is new bleeding edge technology that is gaining popularity and adoption at a quick pace, this is what the IRS will do. They are going to tag a few people and make items out of them by throwing the book at them hard. Even if their transgressions weren't terrible or intentional, the IRS is going to put people in prison, bleed them dry, and make their lives a living hell in order to deter other people from not reporting crypto activity. So don't be the person the IRS makes an item out of. It's not worth it, fam. We are all here to learn about and invest in crypto to create a better world and achieve financial freedom. But we can't do that if we don't have our actual physical freedom because we chose to not report crypto activity and go to prison. On that note, hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore one of the simplest, most cost-effective services available to us at the time of this video that will make our crypto tax reporting process easier and more efficient than ever, called CoinLedger. Let's hit it. A quick note in case we weren't aware, there is a way we can trade crypto legally, tax-free, using tax-sheltered retirement accounts like IRAs or individual retirement accounts with iTrust Capital. Money we invest in a retirement account is tax-deductible, and any gains we experience while trading crypto within this account is tax-free, which is amazing as long-term crypto investors. So scroll down and use the link below to access their correct and official site, as well as redeem any special offers they have for our community. Sweet. Now that hopefully all of us are making the conscious decision today to report all of our digital asset investment activities to the IRS, let's explore a simple and easy solution that makes this daunting task simpler and easier all around, using CoinLedger. I personally started using them several years ago to aid in my cryptocurrency tax reporting, and afterwards I hand over the reports to my accountant, Lorenzo CPA, for processing. If any of us have any crypto-related questions, Lorenzo has been my CPA for several years now. He has saved me tons of time and tons of money, so feel free to book a free call with him or his team using the link below. Lorenzo also has a crypto tax course we can sign up for at a discount using the link below. And if any of us out there are crypto whales with significant gains and similar, definitely book a call for important tax saving strategies and recommendations. Cool. So let's go over why I prefer CoinLedger over competitors and why I think this is a great service we can all benefit from immensely as cryptocurrency investors during this 2023 tax season. Out of all the crypto tax reporting services out there, CoinLedger was by far the easiest, fastest, and most efficient solution I've come across over the years. And one of the best aspects of their services is that we don't have to pay up front. We can start calculating our taxes instantly without any obligations and without having to provide a credit card, all while getting instant crypto tax forms. So we can use the platform for free. We can import all of our transactions and see our complete gains and losses overview for free. And we only have to pay if we want to physically download our digital asset tax reports, which comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Straightforward, easy, safe, and stress-free. So once we've gone through CoinLedger's simple 3-step process, we get the tax forms we need to instantly file ourselves, upload to TurboTax, Tax Act, or similar, or hand off to an accountant like I do with my CPA, Lorenzo. Here's how it works. First, we're going to import our transaction activities from all exchanges and wallets we have been using, like Coinbase, Kraken, MetaMask, Tangent Wallet, or similar, with a simple click of a button. And keep in mind, this is read-only transaction data, meaning there is no access to our wallet's seed phrases or private keys, no permissions to transact with our wallets or anything like that. So this process with CoinLedger is as simple as it is secure. Nice. Second, CoinLedger will automatically classify our transaction history into the appropriate tax treatment, calculating our gains and losses for all transactions, whether it's from trading, staking, NFTs, or anything else. And it does this by tracking the cost bases of our assets as they move from one wallet or exchange to another. And CoinLedger allows us to make individual adjustments manually if we need to. Then finally, the third step, once we've reviewed everything, we can download our tax report with a simple click of a button. And before even paying to download the tax report, we can view our capital gains and income for free, identify tax loss harvesting opportunities across our portfolio for free, and get help from their support team to review our data if we need any guidance. Amazing. Now to see how simple and easy CoinLedger has made it to generate our digital asset tax reports, let's check it out now firsthand by signing up and doing a quick overview of the 3-step process together. Make sure to use the link below to access the correct and official CoinLedger site to avoid arriving at a fake phishing site and claim any special offers they have for our community, all while supporting the channel. Cool. Here we will be brought to the home page where we can click the button Get Started for free. On the sign up screen, enter your email address, create a password, confirm the password, and click the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions and prove you're not a robot. Then click Create Account. Next, we will be brought to a welcome screen. Click Continue, select your country and currency. They use this to determine the tax rules for our report and to calculate our gains and losses. Then click Continue. Then we will need to select each crypto platform we have used. Note we can also update this list at a later time if we wish. In this list, they have both decentralized exchanges like 1inch and Uniswap, as well as centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and more, and different self-custody wallets like MetaMask, Ledger, Tangent, and more. We are going to make some selections for this overview, and if we don't see our wallet or exchange offhand on the list, we can use the search field at the top to find it, like Tangent Wallet. And here we are. Great. Once we are finished making our selections, click Next. We will be prompted to verify the email we used to create the account. So head to your inbox, click to verify the email, and now we are all set to build our tax reports and track our portfolio. Click, let's go. On the dashboard on the left-hand side, we will see the wallet and exchanges we selected. And on the navigation bar at the top, we can see we are in step 1, the import phase, where we can choose to import transaction data by uploading a file we downloaded from our wallet or exchange, or we can auto-import data by connecting our wallets or exchanges to our CoinLedger account with a read-only API, or we can manually add transaction data. So let's auto-import transaction data from our Kraken account. Click Auto-Import, and from here we need to go to our Kraken account to get some data to give CoinLedger access to import our transactions. Note again, this does not give access to our private keys or ability to move our funds. Each wallet and exchange may have a slightly different process, which CoinLedger provides step-by-step guides for each of them for how to do this. So heading over to Kraken and signing in, now we can reference CoinLedger's Kraken import guide, which shows us to click on the profile icon in the top right-hand corner of our Kraken dashboard. From the drop-down, choose Taxes. On the navigation bar at the top, click API, then click the Generate API key button. And on this screen, we can give the API connection a name so we know what it's for. So we are typing CoinLedger into the name field. And from here, we are going to select the following permissions: query, query open orders and trades, query closed orders and trades, and query ledger entries. Then click generate key at the bottom. Nice. Now we have an API key we can copy and paste into the corresponding field back on CoinLedger, as well as the API secret we can copy and paste. Then click the Sync Transactions button, and CoinLedger will authorize the credentials we provided, and then start importing our transactions from Kraken Exchange. Note, it may take a few minutes to complete depending on how much activity we have. So next, let's start importing transactions from our MetaMask wallet. Click on MetaMask from the left-hand sidebar. Click Auto Import. Open our MetaMask browser extension. Then at the top of the screen, click to copy our address. Then back on CoinLedger, paste it into the wallet address field and click Sync Transactions. And bam! Success! Our transactions have been imported. Next up is Tangent Wallet. Click Auto Import, and then using our Tangent card and cell phone, open the Tangent Wallet app, scan the card, enter our access code, tap Continue, scan the card again, and from here we can tap and hold Ethereum. Then tap Copy Address, and email to ourselves or similar to get it to our computer to paste on CoinLedger. And since we also have some Bitcoin transactions, which is a separate blockchain network from Ethereum, we can tap and hold Bitcoin here, then copy that address and also paste it into CoinLedger. Just a quick note about Tangent Wallet. It's by far the easiest cold storage hardware wallet to set up and use on the market right now, and it's extremely affordable. All of my friends and family love it, and I've gotten a lot of great feedback from people in our community that use it. So if you'd like to learn more about how it works, check out this video guide by clicking on the link above. And to get your very own Tangent Wallet, you can get one at a discount using the links below. Amazing. Back on CoinLedger, we are going to paste our Ethereum wallet address in the wallet address field, and then click the Add button underneath, and select the Bitcoin blockchain from this drop-down menu, and paste our Bitcoin wallet address in this wallet address field, and click Sync Transactions. Sweet! Now that we've imported all of our transactions from our exchanges and wallets, at the navigation bar on the top, let's go to step 2 by clicking on Transactions. From here, we can see all of our transactions listed in the All tab, as well as any transactions we need to review under the To Review tab. And at the top here, we can see that we have a few notifications from CoinLedger. One about missing cost basis. This happens when the software detects a transaction where you received crypto without classifying how you got it and the price you acquired it for. And this means we are missing transactions from another exchange or wallet we may not have linked to CoinLedger, or if we received digital assets from a wallet that wasn't ours. If we click on the notification, CoinLedger will give us more information about the digital assets missing a cost basis, the potential impact on our taxes, as well as information on how to resolve any issues. Remember, if we run into any issues or need guidance, CoinLedger's support team is available and extremely helpful. And also consider giving my CPA Lorenzo a call if you need an accountant who is an expert in cryptocurrency tax matters. Cool. Back to the transaction dashboard, there may be another notification about uncategorized transactions. And if we click on it, it will bring us to any uncategorized transactions that we can review and categorize. Back to the transaction dashboard, on the right-hand side, we have the ability to filter through all of our transactions, like by account, by certain assets, by date range, and more. Nice. Now let's move on to the third and final step by clicking on the Tax Reports button at the top of the navigation bar. And here we can see any capital gains we may have made throughout the year, the calculation method CoinLedger used to determine it, the number of transactions we did, and there's an option here to add your tax professional to CoinLedger to give them access to the tax reports. Scrolling down on the bottom right here, under the tax report downloads, is where we can download IRS forms, files for tax filing software, and CSV reports. To download the reports and see additional data, we will need to upgrade by making a one-time purchase, which is once per tax season that you choose to use CoinLedger. So if you had less than 100 crypto transactions, their hobbyist plan is $49. If you had less than 1,000 transactions, their investor plan is $99. Less than 3,000 transactions, their pro plan is $199. Less than 10,000 transactions, their pro plus plan is $299. And if we did 1 million transactions, their unlimited plan is $499. Note we can customize our plan by adding on an expert review service, where one of CoinLedger's experts review our data, highlights any issues, and provides us with guidance, which is ideal for new users. And also for a limited time at the time of this video, we can also get our 2024 tax report at a 30% discount. Scrolling down, we can see everything included in our paid tax reports, like a short and long-term capital gains report, the IRS Form 8949, a cryptocurrency income tax report, an audit trail report, tax loss harvest report, and TurboTax and Tax Act compatibility. So choose our plan and enter our payment information in the space provided here to finish up our 2023 crypto tax reports. Definitely a small price to pay for peace of mind and an easy, simple, straightforward crypto tax reporting process. Awesome. If you would like to learn more about Tangent Wallet and how it works step by step, check out this video. If you would like to finally have that eureka moment and understand how crypto wallets, addresses, and private keys work, check out this video. And to get your crypto taxes done quickly and easily with CoinLedger, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.